welcome back to Hennessey Performance's YouTube channel. My name is Emma and I'm here today to do another weekly vlog. We have a lot of things in store for y'all today, so make sure to stay tuned for this entire video. To start off this video, I'm gonna start up this 1000 horsepower GT500. This is one of our newer builds. These are super hot for us, so let's take a listen.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. You saw this future exorcist in the last video, and today you're gonna get to see it start up for the very first time. The new supercharger's on, new ported and polished cylinder heads, new cam, everything's all installed, and it's going to get the startup tune in about an hour here, so you'll see it start up in just a little bit. It's gonna be awesome. Just making our way through the shop. This is another very cool new build. It's a Raptor going into a Velociraptor 600. It is just about done. Everything's ready on it. It has a really nice matte gray wrap, which is super cool, and it's gonna be ready to hit the dyno today. All right guys, so the last time we talked about this Velociraptor V8, it was just getting started, and now it is almost done, wrapped up. The V8 is installed with the supercharger. We're finishing up the accessories. It's got the Velociraptor front bumper and LED lights and the rest of the accessories that you can't see. It is going to be awesome. So these builds are pretty intensive. They take us about 2 weeks to do. We've done almost 40 of them, which is pretty awesome, and we're still the only shop in the world that's doing V8 swapped Gen 2 Raptors, so that's pretty awesome.
What's up guys? You've probably seen this Denali last week. This is a 2020 Yukon Denali. It received our HPE 650 package. Besides the 2.9 liter Whipple supercharger, it has received an upgraded camshaft, hardened push rods, and also an upgraded exhaust to help support the extra horsepower. It was all broke down last time you guys saw it, but I've got pretty much everything put together. I'm just tying up a few loose ends. Hopefully we'll make it to the dyno today, see what kind of power numbers she makes. But
Alright, so this GT350R pulled into the shop yesterday, and we did our baseline testing on the dyno and on the track. Now it is on Daniel's lift. Daniel here is one of our high performance technicians, and he is a Ford specialist. He can do it all, but he's been doing Fords for probably longer than I've been alive. Daniel, is this one of your favorite builds?
yes.
Pretty sweet, right?
Yeah.
So this build is getting a 2.9 liter supercharger system, and it's a complete upgrade because there is no supercharger to begin with. What are your thoughts on this build?
This car will be absolutely fun to drive when we get done with it. I mean, it makes a lot of power stock, and it's a lot more power when we get done with it, you know.
Yeah. It's going from 526 horsepower naturally aspirated all the way up to 850 when we're done with it. So it's a completely new car. Pretty awesome. Thanks for building it, and we'll see it on the dyno soon. All right, guys, this is one of our Goliath packages. It's one of the first supercharged 2020 plus GM trucks in the world, and this has the polished 2.9 liter supercharger. This is a 700 horsepower package. And look at the beauty inside the engine bay. This car is ready to go to the customer, and we're so excited for these customers to be receiving these builds.
So we're here with Tudor School. Tell us a little bit about this week.
So last week we've been putting our car back to stock. It took us about a week to get rid of all the mods. So it's pretty much all done now. We're just finishing up the last touches, last few making it pretty basically. So
It's graduation week.
it's graduation week. We're graduating tomorrow. Yeah.
How are you guys feeling about being done with Tudor School?
We liked it. And obviously we get to make friends, right?
Oh yeah, yeah.
So we made good friends, we learned a lot, we had a lot of fun, so I mean, it's kind of a double feeling because we're graduating, which is cool, but we're also leaving this behind, which is kind of sad.
You know, we're all eager to get home and work on our own stuff besides, you know, Tudor School cars. So we're going to take the skills we've learned here and put them into our own things.
That's awesome.
World experiences, so that's always fun.
Absolutely.
Hello everybody. We come to the end of another vlog. So we're in another great car. We're in a Lincoln Navigator. It's a 2020 fully loaded black label. It is unbelievably luxurious on the inside. I wish you could feel all these nice materials, suede headliner, leather everywhere that you can touch. It's got a nice maroon burgundy interior. It's so amazing. It has the perfect position seats. It's got, you know, I don't know how many combinations of of the ways that you can adjust the seats, but I'm actually getting a massage right now. How awesome is that? The Navigator is the absolute leader in third row luxury SUVs. So I'm excited to see, and I say that knowing that the Escalade is amazing, but for right now, the Navigator is on top. It does not have a V8 option, but in terms of driving experience and interior, it's unparalleled. So I'm excited to see what the new Escalade will be like, because I think GM/Cadillac will top this vehicle in the future. But for now, this is the king of third row luxury SUVs, and we up the ante to 600 horsepower, which is not shy at all. It's a quick vehicle for how big it is, especially, and we're going to just do our final drivability testing like we always do before we send it out to the customer. And yeah, so this car on top of the 600 package is equipped with 6-piston Brembo brakes. It's got big, huge 6-piston calipers in the front with drilled rotors, and then those are red, which look amazing. And then we've got polished, like very nicely polished, forged line wheels. They're 22-inch. It transforms this car. The stock wheels look okay. Well, I think they actually look good, but these new wheels look unbelievable. So check out the detailed pictures and let me know in the comments below what you think about the Navigator. But let's do some final testing, send it off, and besides that, we'll see you on the next vlog. Thanks for watching, and also P.S. if you think I should buy a Mark IV Supra, please let me know what you think. I really want to know.
But your wife.
Comment below. My wife is not so sure about me buying a Supra, but I think I really want one. So let me know what you think. There's 100. And then we got Brembo brakes to slow us all the way down. That's pretty good, wow.